Hello friends, welcome back. We have been asked to solve these two equations, pair of linear equations in two variables by cross multiplication method. So before going ahead with the solution, let's try to recap what is the method of cross multiplication, right? So let us say if there are two equations, two pair of linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then by elimination method we can find out that x equal to x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that's equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a2 b1. Now how we will get that is, what you have to do to solve this, don't need to remember that, just write the coefficients starting from y. So you put down b1 first, then b2, then the constants c1, c2, then again x coefficients, that is a1, a2, then again y, that is b1, b2. Okay. Now you want to find out the x value, you have to consider the first two. You want to calculate the y value, you have to consider the second two, and you want the constant value, you have to consider the last two. So that's how you will get the value. Now if you observe here, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, so you have to go first, start from left, go down, multiply, then you have to subtract from the other one. So this logic you have to follow. So you just go multiply cross first, then you go take it this way. This is the first you have to do, and this is next. So you take it this direction first, then b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. So that's how we have to do that. So let's try to solve the problem using the same method. Okay, I will write down the equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1. So I will say 27x minus 39y minus 90 equal to 0. So that is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. What is the next one we have? 39x plus 27y plus 120 equal to 0. So we have our both equations. So you know that the first column belongs to A, second column belongs to B, and the third column belongs to C. Let's write down them in B1 in the column wise. So first we want to find out, let us say we want to find out first x value. You should not take the column containing x, so you should take the other two. So I'll write it first for B. I will say minus 39 plus 27. Then C I have minus 90 plus 120. After that I have to go to A is 27, 39. Then after that I have again minus 39 and plus 27. Now this is what we have in the form of B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2 and B1, B2. Now how I have to multiply them? I have to go diagonal, first down. So I have to multiply these first, then I have to go in the reverse. So this is first, and the first two columns will give me the value of x, the second two will give me the value of y, and the third two will give me 1 by. Okay, so what I will do now, I will say x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So what is b1 now? Minus 39 into C2. So we have to multiply that. I will just take liberty and do that quickly. That is minus 4680. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Minus of minus will become plus, and 90 into 27 is 2430. That's equal to y divided by, again here you have to do the same logic. You have to do first C1 with A2, that is minus 3510. Again I have one more, C1 A2 minus C2 into A1. So I will have 27 into 120, that is 3240. That's equal to 1 divided by, you have to again now A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So I should do 27 into 27, that is 729. Minus of, I should do A2 B1, minus of minus will become plus, and I will have 39 into 39, that's equal to 1521. So we will have x by, if I simplify that, I will have minus 2250 equal to y by minus 6750 equal to 1 by 2250. So now you try to simplify that, find out the value of x. That gives you x equal to, you do cross multiplication, you will get x equal to minus 1. Similarly, you do cross multiplication of these two, you will get y equal to minus 3. So the values of x and y are minus 1 and minus 3. Let's check that by substituting. 27 into minus 1 is minus 27. Minus 39 into minus 3, so it will become plus 117. 39 into 3. 117 minus 27 is 90. 90 minus 90 is 0. Let's look at the second equation. 39 into x is minus 39, plus 27 into minus 3 is minus 81. Minus 120 plus 120 is 0. So x equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 3 are the solution of this pair of linear equations. Let me summarize that. We have been given two equations, we have been asked to solve by cross multiplication. If you are able to understand, cross multiplication is nothing but using elimination method, finding out the values of x and y. Only the thing is, we have the formula directly, so you can write it down. If you remember the formula, x equal to take down, don't take x, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Similarly, y equal to, don't take y, you have c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. If you don't want to remember those formulas, just remember like this. Take them columns as b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2. The first b columns will give x by, the second will give y by, and the third will give 1 by. So you try to find out the determinant of them, that's nothing but AD minus BC. So you do that, you have B1 C2 minus B2 C1 x by y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So whatever may be the equations, you just substitute like them, then you should be able to find out the values of x and y. We will do some more simple problems using cross multiplications in the coming sessions. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.